Hi, everyone. From the team of Conceptual Radiology, we are really pleased to inform you that we are having the one of a kind crisp session on the 7th and 8th of December, which is going to be really helpful for all exam going PGs and otherwise. The event will be highly curated and it will be catering to various important topics for both theory and practicals. So, we'll be having a rapid revision of important cases, the clinical cases which can come as a long case or as a short case, maybe in the form of an OSCE, and they can also be as a long theory question. Secondly, there will be a model DNB OSCE session where it will be a total exam simulation in a stipulated amount of time. You will be asked to answer the OSCE, and that will be followed by a brainstorming discussion of the same. We'll also be having table viva, all the important IR instruments, contrast media, and whatnot. Then comes our spotter sessions, which will going to cover all the important high yield material from that particular topic and is going to train you for the spotters in your exam practical day. And finally, not means most importantly, we'll also be there to provide you for any guidance regarding future fellowships or doing a super specialization and whatever doubts and queries or fears you have in your mind. Of course, Zainab Vora ma'am and the entire team of Conceptual Radiology will be there to serve you, to help you, and of course to boost your confidence. So waiting to see you there on the 7th and 8th of December. Take care.